Hey everyone, I'm in New Zealand, so I wanted to do a taste test of an indigenous cola. This is Karma Cola, made in New Zealand. So unfortunately the place I bought it doesn't actually have bottle opener, so I'm gonna have to go pick a rock and knock this thing open, and I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, so while I was smashing the bottle open on the edge of a rock, I actually broke the bottle. Oops. So I'm gonna have to drink it very carefully. Let's give this a try. Definitely tastes different. Not bad. Tastes like a kind of off-brand cola. You know, like Safeway Select Cola or one of those, you know, non-branded choice cola. But I guess it's a cola. It's got some lemon concentrate and vanilla flavor, so maybe that's what I'm tasting. But not too bad. So I'll give Karma Cola a thumbs up. Okay, so that's it for today. Next time you're in New Zealand, check out Karma Cola. See you guys next time. Give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Bye. This is Coca-Cola Ginger with ginger extract flavor. Let's try it out, see how it tastes. I'm guessing not so good, but let's see.